I'm Nathan Ryan. I'm the Global Product Manager for Manitou for skid steers and compact track loaders. We're here today at CONEXPO 2023 unveiling our brand new compact track loaders and skid steer medium frame loaders. The new medium frame loaders, in particular track loader, feature our Ideal Track's patented Manitou exclusive track tensioning system, our patented Manitou exclusive vertical lift arms, and the version 2 of our very popular fold-up door, which allows you to operate with the machine's door open or closed. Additionally, we have a patented forward-sloping roof, which allows for less blind spots when dumping into a truck. You have better visibility throughout the top of the cab. Finally, we have new cloth heated seat options, a 7-inch color display, a larger foot area, and keyless start. These new machines are probably the most serviceable machines in the marketplace. If you would take a look through the cab here, you'll see under the cab all the way through the engine compartment. There's no part of this machine that is not accessible. But don't take my word for it. Why don't you come out to CONEXPO today when the rain lets up a little later and check these machines out for yourself? We're at booth F9313. Hope to see you soon.